We are so grateful to Joe and Jill.
People know that we're no longer together and people are going to ask, what am I going to say? Oh,
the phone I break up.
Welcome Burritos, welcome to the social media countdown. And today I actually have a special co-host, but we will see him shortly. Alright, Ethan. Alright, yeah. Alright. Oh, so what about the show? Yeah, alright, stop. Stop now. Stop. Oh, finally. Alright, box cover, welcome to another social media countdown. I am Duttyberry as usual, and
I don't know, say I had money, Ethan. I'm still in Jamaica. And yeah, Barry tell me say he want a co-host for the social media countdown. So I said, Barry, guess your favorite.
He's actually not in Jamaica right now. This is all green screen. Like honestly right now. See there? Green screen safe. Why
We're there. Social media countdown time. Ready?
Do it.
Eh?
Do it. They just Oh, that's so stupid.
The dirty or the berry, yeah, the juicy or the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the countdown coming soon. All the drama when you want, you fit tune into the youth. Like, yo, hey, box cover, cover all the topics like a hymn name. Pot cover, mix up, blender, all them something me, I what me not the week, yo, just tune in, zine.
Number 10, Kamala, Jamaican.
My extra oxtail gravy. Yo, people them.
Yeah.
I just want to give a special congratulations.
Yes.
To Vice President-elect Kamala Harris.
You know, say the name properly. It is Kamala.
What?
Them say it's not Kamala, it's Kamala. You're supposed to say like, yes, peach Kamala. Like
Kamala?
You're supposed to say like
Kamala.
Kamala. No, probably not she. Maybe she shouldn't say about it. Kamala. Kamala. It's Kamala.
Kamala Harris, big up your damn self on being the first woman in such a high position in the United States.
We did it, Joe. You're gonna be the next president of the United States.
Yeah.
Right? And not only just being the first woman, but the first black.
Yeah, she's the first black woman and from another heritage. Was it
first Asian.
Asian Indian.
Yeah.
Oh wait, but mix up. No, Kamala, Kamala. She's walking with the Jamaican motto.
Yeah,
out
of many one people.
Women who fought and sacrificed so much for equality and liberty and justice for all.
You know, Jamaican people, once we running past something, we have to just make memes and make jokes about it. So everybody and their mother did talk about the fact that Kamala is Jamaican now and decided to put out memes.
Yeah, like, because our father is a Jamaican, so you know, everybody you get like a slice of the meme.
Yeah, I'm gonna put it right now.
My family's from Jamaica. Are you kidding?
Destin, it's going after me, surmounting me, blam, me.
To my grandma and my rest of family them, Donna, Jeannie, Thelma, Jackson, Chantel, Dawn, Verona, April. Merry Christmas and I see
Jamaica, I forget the big up.
You can't mention the father, your mother will get vexed.
Everybody feel like the oxtail and Afghan saltfish and jerk chicken I serve in a White House, no?
It might, I feel like, because honestly me and Kamala did a WhatsApp last night and I tell Kamala, say, yo, I'm really happy for you. And she said, why you don't invite me on the social media account? And I was just like, geez, I thought you were so busy.
Wow.
We think on a different level, man. I just like different level stress, but we never really want to talk about it because honestly, we don't even know if we're supposed to share it with the public right now and the people that watch the live, but...
You like what I meant, Lisa and jealous.
I mean, I just let go.
Kamala, we do it, Mama, we do it.
We did it.
Hello, me have Obama on the next slide.
Hi.
Alright, well, I'm gonna call Joe. Hello?
Yo,
Joe.
I was Joe this.
I'm Joe Bogdanovich, principal of Downtown Entertainment,
What's going on, man?
owners of Reggae Sumfest.
Obama, well on. I rang Joe.
Uh-oh.
Joe Biden? Alright, see boss now.
Hi.
We did it, Joe.
Ready to go to work?
You're gonna be the next president of the United States.
Kamala, you couldn't ask me if I could have sort out my thing. The green card.
Number 9.
Make his order. My word, my sentence. So everybody, we must realize that Jamaica has been like under showers of rain for back-to-back days, just consecutively. We cannot see no little sunlight. No, I do not know how the people that don't have a dryer and them yard like how they find clothes. Me hear say, what if people did that go to the bottom of the barrel and I find little old clothes them, like what if them smell like camphor ball right now because what if them smell like camphor ball right now because them couldn't get to wash the clothes and dry them. Oh my gosh. Like look at all of them little showers of rain here. Look at how Jamaica was being destroyed.
Good morning, people. This is the current situation of Stand Up Hill Garden Town.
The entire road gone. Entire road is gone. Look at it. The entire road and Gordontown is gone. This is just a walking thing. The entire road, nothing is left. Nothing is left of the road. The entire thing gone to the river. Only walk foot.
Yeah. So it's going to vote for Labour.
And so at this point in time now, I'm going to ask the chief meteorologist, Yadman Ethan, so just give a quick little recap of some of these scenes. Yes, I'm fully taking myself away, and you should be that. So just walk us through this special weather report. Thank you. Show this on the screen, Yadman.
On the screen.
Yeah.
Alright, so ladies and gentlemen, as you can see here, we have a hole that many Jamaican men would still jump into. Right! So ladies and gentlemen, right here we have Cedar Valley, St. Thomas. I mean, I tell you, that this look like some type of crevice, some type of whoa, wow. First time I see this.
Something alright, yeah.
So yeah man, that's it burritos. That is for all we are going. It look like the rain kind of ease up now because the meteorologists them say like Tuesday everything's supposed to kind of get clear and sunnier, and so like I'm just kind of grateful for that because Jamaica can't take them more rain because honestly like we don't have the money to fix up all of them roads here right now.
And see all the people that hope and pray for hurricane to come for the excitement.
No. Comment down below. Were you really affected by the heavy rains? Sound up.
Number 8.
Konshens split.
What?
Yes. Again.
And
Yeah.
what?
Yeah. Again. Yeah.
No, I can't with that.
Yeah. Melissa Till. Alright, so I know this might come as a surprise to many, but yeah, it seems as if Konshens and his wife Lataya are no longer an item. Now Lataya showed up on Instagram and people had to look at question and answer, and somebody actually asked and said, since you keeping it real, are you single? And to that, Lataya answered, yes, 8 months and counting, exclamation sign. Funny how y'all went to your fingers. Funny how y'all went to your fingers. And so yeah, it looked like Konshens said I keep everything on a little level. He never really come out and made a statement and really announced it. And Lataya finally said like, here wow, she can't bother walk with people and think say, because maybe like if a man out the road probably want to look Lataya, because Lataya look nice and stable and all of these things. And maybe because people think she's still there with Konshens, that kind of block her blessings. So Lataya say, yo, at 8 months right now, I could have breathed for another man technically. So why me don't just like let the world know so that more people can kind of, welcome to my life now, so I'm single and ready to mingle. No, me don't know because, sometimes Konshens, kind of emotional when he ready. And so it look like, so luckily him kind of stable right now and everything good. Because when I hear about it on social media, he might handle everything behind the scenes. And so that must be commended. But burritos, let me know. You kind of like that this happen, or you kind of didn't love them as a couple. Sound off below. Countdown promo time! Woo! Box cover burritos, let me tell you about a courier service by the name of Dash XP Carrier Limited. So you see, if you want to shop online and get your goods them hassle-free, then Dash XP Courier Limited is the place for you. And here's why. Them offer low rates, free delivery, quality service, a bag of membership and registration fee. And it's between me and you, them actually have a big promotion going right now, from the 9th of November to the 14th, where you can get some little special discount and all of them little something there. So you can't afford for us to make it waste. So Christmas will come around the corner. You need to buy up the good things them. So here what you do, visit the website right here, so. Check out them social media right here, so. And if you want to find out them address and them opening hours and them number, the little things them, it is right here, so. So yeah man, Dash XP Carrier Limited, from overseas to you in a dash.
Yo, you don't know a Prince Pine, and this is Duttyberry Top 10 Social Media Countdown, Make sure you watch it. Oh!
Right. Number 7, Golden versus Hannah. Really? You have nothing to say? Me find some. Come on, read it. Just
because you were using
find something. You can Rasta locks. Come on, so literally time is waiting. The people them on the live, literally I wait for find them all comment and I give you ideas I know see.
What is?
So number 7, Golden versus Hannah. And so burritos, one must know, so the PNP presidential race went on Saturday. Nobody really paid attention because everybody was so preoccupied with what was happening in the United States with Joe Biden versus Donald Trump.
Put your hands up if you want to see every vote counted.
So the PNP delegates, they met on Saturday and they voted, and it was announced that Mark Bolden is now the leader of the PNP, so he'll be replacing Dr. Peter Phillips.
Comrades, friends, fellow Jamaicans at home and in the diaspora, good evening. It is with a deep sense of humility and gratitude that I stand here this evening, having been duly elected the 6th president of our great movement, the People's National Party. I want to thank my campaign team, my road team, my communications team, my family in South St. Andrew, my family here with me, and of course, every delegate in every region that came out and supported the process, every party.
Yeah, I think that is, I mean, don't hate him, but then I kind of understand why other people feel like, why not get Lisa and Lisa and a top trending girl, she all over the place, why don't go with she, who seems like she can go match up with Andrew Holness.
Yeah.
So I kind of get that as well, but I also do feel the need to give Mark Golden a chance, because I do think he's not necessarily like an awful person. Like I think people just need to know him in the same way that people just need to know more about Lisa Hanna's like capacity as a leader. I feel like people just look on her social media thing and I use it for discredit her. So she need to show more of that, and he need to show more of his charisma and charm.
True.
So that's
you never know. 4 years from now,
it could be a different person. I remember, as we keep on saying, Andrew Holness did start off. He never did broke at him. They kind of start off very much differently. So let me know what you think about this Burritos sound out below. Alright, so Burritos, last week I announced the 10K promotion. And so I'm going to start off with some of them right now because the Burritos them did not come to play. Alright, so I'm going to tell you about this dancer turned artist by the name of Crazy Hype. And no, it is not the Elephant Man song. And last year he dropped a 4-track EP called Trendin'. And now he's back at it again with a new single, new music video, mini movie and all of these things. And it is called Father Forgive Me.
Treat poor people like a damn dog. I want to run me from my own yard. Man turn negative to positive.
So here I'm telling you, the artist is named Crazy Hype. You can go and follow him right here. So you can go and check out the full music video / mini movie for Father Forgive Me right in the description here. So do not waste your time. Go over there and make him know so Duttyberry send you zine. Number 6, buckle race. Me tomato ketchup. Oh, so you know, say the parades them were going in Jamaica recently, and most people just kind of feel bad. Them kind of just stay home. Worst part of the coronavirus. We don't have nothing to do, but these set of guys decided to just keep up some sort of excitement. They want to have fun and be festive even in the storm season. So they came up with this other game. So yo, we're gonna take some of them back here and make them compete like it is the Winter Olympics.
Go! And the boss! Buckle is in the lead, but I am in third with that red buckle, and red buckle is going in second, and I'm leading. It's Subakang, red for Manchester United, Red Devils, going right down. But guess what? I'm going up. Yes, that bad. Come on! Yes, go run! Second me there! Go run, me G! Go run! Go on! What a boy, I need to watch ya! I lost me a cup!
No, one of the things that we just really have love about Jamaican people, we know of the step back things and find the little festive moments. We will find entertainment all when there is none to the naked eye. And so that have to be in person. Only hope that when this is kind of finished, them actually dispose of these bottles like in a bin, like, you know, recycle or wet find it to be like, I hope them not just left it. We just go right out in the ocean. That is all. Number 5, best excuse. Me alarm bell. Alright, so this particular voice note, now I think the 2 voice notes is going to be on the countdown, but this voice note featured, I guess, is a student that was the parent, kind of explaining why they're never able to like communicate with the teacher.
Miss, me have to take down the wire a while ago because GPS come through a thiefing like me. So me have to take it down, say no, the internet kind of down. So anything you post, any work you post, we make him do it when the light go back up this evening, okay?
No, you tell me no. You tell me no, Burritos. Like, honestly, like, I don't even know if a full lie or if a true song, but would I work with this? It's not a bad. But people know that JPS kind of, Yeah, but I give her a pass. Not a bad excuse. Like, I feel like I kind of give you a little blind with the 1 year. But Burritos, what has been one of the most interesting stories that you've ever made up to kind of get out of sending in homework to a teacher? More here. Number 4, Chanel's Mini-Me. My word, my sentence. So, this particular video now featured a young child and she was singing Chanel Muir's song Yamabella, but the way the girl is singing the song, you can't tell her, so never she write, she connect to the words them from our heart. Pray.
I feel like we depend on yourself. We know you're gonna to find me, darling. Collect the chick on Friday morning. Somehow we don't use conscience. But I hear before you buy it. Cock up in a man car before you put your hands before you. Please thinking your name. What I would think when I live to impress people. I will never ever live to impress people. I mean, I know I wanna live to impress people. No,
honestly, nope. That Yamabella music video need for a shoot over. It need for a do over so it can feature this young lady because like, I don't know what kind of conviction this. Like, look how the girl connect to the lyrics. Them like, what kind of experiences in her life that she learned about, she to impress people and all that kind of things. What? Somebody teach you spongy? Somebody teach you little bubbles and clip. I'm gonna play with that right now. Somebody teach you tablet? Somebody take a video like when they little car try to practice for your paper exam. What did I want?
I say I'm renting on a party. Now by patrol if me door have a pot right now me dig in a say party. So them real like gal and they so got but I'm clown antenna. Them gal here you bella. It burn me for them can't stand to see them.
Number 3, voice note cunning. You hear me I say no? Them woman are wicked.
And thanks for the money you sent come give me yesterday. Yeah, I'm go doctor and them say I'm 4 months ongoing. And me go need for do another ultrasound because the ultrasound of them do are they say the first one to see if the pitney dumb or income one can make sound like if you can talk and so. And me go need a next ultrasound next week now to see if the baby start farm, and then them say me have to do the autopsy which will cost a heap of money. To do the autopsy to see if a boy or girl and everything alright. So yeah, and look, no so yeah, and look, no send no more money come.
That woman here wicked. She come talk about say she need money for ultrasound. She need money. She need money for 2 ultrasound, right? She says she need money to find out if the baby dumb, if the baby can talk. And then she come back and she come talk about say she need a second ultrasound to find out if the baby farm yet.
I think that woman, I think she is a tremendous woman.
Get right here, man.
I think this woman needs to be respected. I think this woman is somebody who is going out for her goals and for the betterment of her child. I believe this woman. I think this woman is telling the truth. And I think that woman should be supported. At this point in time, I'm wondering why I'm not seeing an overwhelming support from corporate Jamaica. You know, giving her like whatever, if it's huggies, buying her something from Kamala.
What you mean, Mary? And then she come talk about say she need money for autopsy to find out the gender of the pitney.
Too much!
Because that was a simple slip of the tongue. You don't understand that in her mind, based on experiences, like in some cultures, autopsy means just an investigation. It doesn't necessarily, you wouldn't understand. But bear in mind, I have to defend this woman. Why don't I be defending her? Because she sounds like one of my auntie them.
Oh God.
She sounds like one of my auntie them. I mean, I met this upward when I Christmas dinner time. So like, if it's Auntie Mumsy, big up yourself. Okay? Alright, because the voice really does sound like one of my family members. So like, I don't know if I should say anything right now. But let me know, Burritos, you had fun, no? Let me know, Burritos, what do you think of this message? what the most you ever do for try to draw like money out of one man? Berrydas, me know is done. You know what the Berrydas them not get trouble at all. Me know they never lie to man yet. Me don't know about your fans them, but me I tell you about my Berrydas them never lie to man. Them never go around and try to con nobody and steal a little money. Them not do them little things that a girl will work for them own. And if a man come and say, yo, me I give $50,000 for their ear and nails, they must say, no man, but good. Me I work my own. And if you want to say, yo, I want to carry off your weekend for two, just because they look good, then I'm gonna be like, no, I can't eat my little canned beef. I'm gonna go oxtail with it ready. I'm good for my own. I saw my Berrydas them stay. Get me? I just saw. I don't know about your fan base, but so yeah.
Woman try to put it Woman try to put it on me already, you know. I mean, I see never do nothing.
Matthew, just close that rebellion.
Number 2, YouTube divorce. Me OMG. Hold on. Oh, so this one took social media by storm. Now, I don't know if a lot of the Berrydas know this YouTuber by the name of Lyric Rochester. Now, she is somebody who's quite an edgy personality. She's a makeup artist as well as, you know, a lover of Christ. But she is known for her very way, call it like, she don't really conform to the traditional look of how people perceive Christianity because she have a bright little piercing, she change up her ear them whole heap of little times. She's you know, she's just different and a different vibe. And so on her YouTube channel, which normally shows vlogs of her being a mother, as well as her doing her makeup and handle her fitness and all of that journey, we've come to kind of know her husband as well. And it seems as if, you know, trouble kind of came up in paradise. Many people kind of realized that the two weren't really, you know, cohabitating. And so Lyric took to social media to finally address, I guess, the speculations and the rumors.
Like a response, but obviously it was going to happen. Why I put my thing in public? Because I'm a public figure. People know that we're no longer together and people are going to ask, what am I going to say? Oh no, it's the Lord's plan, it's the Lord's will. I will never give that answer ever. No, that I really don't care if I ask me to tell you. And it's not like just her and somebody on the YouTube channel that he made a video, because I haven't seen the video. So that it's not like him have sex with somebody from the church, and he did. They're in a long-term relationship. He did. And if somebody I've been uncomfortable with for years, and he told me that I'm insecure. So now things are coming up that I didn't even know were there. I didn't. And let me tell you where I went mentally. I don't know if this is going to go to court. I don't know if this is helping my court thing. But mentally, for women who have been hurt, you know exactly what I'm saying. Mentally, I went there. And I was like, you know what? I have to post. I have to. If I didn't get it out, and I don't know where I am mentally.
And so yeah, but not gonna lie, Lyric, she talk out her mouth and you can't tell say my girl did just a vent. It's like she grieve it just. She just like she didn't need to get that off her chest. And we can't take that from her because when you deal with hurt and pain, you know, it is a lot to ask somebody say, yo, do not express yourself. Just try to keep it. Sometimes people just have to just kinda let it go, because if they don't, then probably can end up hurts them own self. And so the husband, he took to social media now to basically share thing 2 cents, but like I guess it could have kind of stayed, but kind of really did talk none. Him just kind of keep everything very vague.
This what we're going through now was never the beginning. It's not the beginning or the start. You see me? Of all the issues that we have. Symptoms, but it's not the real issue. Or it's definitely not the real issues. And more than one of them. We both feel on both sides, straight up. So me as a man, I don't necessarily always express things the way Simone are gonna express certain things. She very, very much, I'm not gonna say emotional, because everybody emotional, right? But in terms of how she expresses her emotions, then so to speak, she can cry and you can empathize with her. And me not necessarily respond or act that way.
But I guess what he was saying is that everything is not just all on him. 2 of them, like, you know, they did things to the detriment of the relationship, and he doesn't want to be painted out to be the worst person. And you know, him have a point there. Okay, we can't even know if I feel like we don't believe him or if I just lie and tell completely. Lyric, you know, went on to the further videos and to just detail things about how hard it is going to be moving on, and she spoke a lot about the church and a lot of the hypocrisy that takes place there.
We are going through so much, and in the church we are still hung up on this facade, and I don't like it, and the women are paying for it, because when a Christian man falls, he's a man of God, and the seductive spirit came in and the Jezebel came in. When a woman falls, the seductive spirit entered her and the Jezebel spirit is in her. It's never the man. Yo, a man can apologize to a congregation for messing up and he's widely accepted. Make a woman try that. Backbench, Jezebel, Reguina. No, you can't go this. So come here, so. And this skirt is too short, and this is too no, and this is too. And a crocus bag, the pastor them and deacon them and the rest of man them I go still look in a crocus bag.
Alright, I'm not gonna lie, I kind of feel sad about this because I like Lyric Vibe. I used to watch our channel a lot. And so, but you know, I saw the husband there and it seemed like they had a nice little vibe going on. Fun fact, the Lyric Rochester was actually the person who did my, way one call it like makeup the first time I did my commercial for Crown Water. So she was the person who was there, so I was able to meet her, and it's a pleasant girl, and she was very vibrant and full of life. And so to kind of see her in this depressive state, it really kind of saddened me. So I hope she gets better. And as she says, all we have to do is just like try to pray for her mental health. But what do you think, Berry, does about how the church deals with divorce? Do you think it is okay? Do you think that they should provide a safe space for women and men when they are going through this journey? Sound off below.
I've honestly not true Jamaican, but on the fake. When I have the youth, them and I get the youth them some name like Paris and come here Brooklyn, hey China, hi France. No, what about Bagwalk? Come here Tivoli, come here Denham Town. Hello, what going Arnett? Them way there. You understand? Yo, someone.
We're almost finished. And number one goes to kind of slow while ago. Donna goes viral. Yeah man, number one goes to Donna virality. So first I'm gonna start off with one of the videos now featured dancehall queen Carleen. Now if you don't know the yard man, Aunty Donna now, you know, so she's like Jamaican Mother Teresa. Yeah. She carry, you know, and take little money from people who they are friends and give it to the people who really need it. Yeah, and so I feel like I think that our charity thing. And so outside of that now, she have our little personal thing now where she bake little put down little cake and little stuff like that. Okay. You get me?
And she look like she have that sweet under.
Yeah man, that she do. And so dancehall queen Carleen recently started to really take our pudding thing mainstream. I think our sweet potato pudding mainstream. So when she did that now, you know, if everybody don't know, say, yo, Miss Donna like seemingly a lack of like the pudding thing on social media. So when them say Carly, you know, them must say, wait, I follow. Where this come from now? Like why you want to sell cake? Yeah man. And some of them went over there and started to tell Carleen some things. And Carleen have to kind of make them know that yo, she's been baking cake from what we kill Philo. Pray.
Aunty Donna, big up Aunty Donna. She posted my pudding on her page, her website, I'm not even sure, and some of her followers, she says women power, you know, empower each other, support each other. I've been doing my pudding from 2017 publicly, but I've been doing this from I'm a teenager, making it for my dad and my family and friends. And you know, the pandemic chooses us to do other things than what we're accustomed to doing, and I chose to, based on the orders that I kept getting and the requests from family and friends to do it. 2017, I was at Osa Dancehall with my pudding, selling it, and there was no complaint. Some of the followers of Aunty Donna chose to disrespect me. I don't know them. I don't know them. They don't know me. You can't see a public figure and assume you know who these people are. We still have a private life, and guys, I'm a person. I mean, I'm not thin-skinned or anything, because 28 years I've been in the public eye, so I can stand whatever you give to me. But I would truly appreciate it if you do not come in my DM or on my Instagram page to discuss who I'm following. The world is at large. The cake is big enough for each of us to have a slice. And
everybody have people and try to find a second or slightly different start, you know, yeah.
So I don't see no problem with it.
But who cake you think put your things slap better? Between one of you, like two of them here right now. Which one you love? Two of them. I tell you, Aunty Donna and Carleen come and give you the cake right now. Who for one you want to eat first?
No, I feel like Aunty Donna make me die.
You want to eat from Carleen or Aunty Donna? Anyway, and so the video now I really want to talk about now is Aunty Donna now have a little love zone program where single man and woman Carleen and look for somebody. Right. But one of the people them Carleen now and decide to look Aunty Donna. Let's see how that went.
You know me like you otherwise though.
Alright, if you wanna break up,
You say you know I like you otherwise though.
Hello?
Aunty Donna?
Me nah hear you well.
You hear me now?
No, it come like something. Paula say if internet a cut there.
Yeah, it's a cut out.
Yeah, internet a cut.
It's a cut out.
Internet a cut.
Yeah.
Me nah hear me now. One other time when you call again, you hear me nah hear you well, it look like something wrong.
Alright, that's it.
Why Aunty Donna like this? You know, so we should have put Aunty Donna in the cunning part though.
True.
Why is she like this?
True.
She well I know said she the man clear now. Yeah man.
Yo.
You see honestly, our friends like Paula, our friend run at the background and them friend they need like when
True.
you lie, they not even take a
True.
second to think them just
Yeah, it's a cut out.
Yeah, internet a cut.
It's a cut out.
But yeah man, Aunty Donna, she's a real sample and I don't know, Donna, Aunty Donna, please if you can send one of the Nyamba keep them, put them. I'd love to try it. Dancehall Queen Carlene. Please send it to me. You know, we can't expect nothing from Beyonce in terms of fair Blue Ivy Park somewhere there. So at least we can get a package from either one of them. I support my local star then.
And I'm going like saying see this guy we know say internet at work, Aunty Donna.
Okay, yes. Well, that is the Berry. We've come to the end of another top 10 social media countdown. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you did, please hit the
like button. Make sure to say subscribe and share this with them.
And also to leave a comment down below. I'm sure you enjoyed the co-host today, my virgin Yardman Ethan. So make Ethan or Ethan? Ethan.
I mean, Ethan is my birth name, isn't it?
Oh, yeah, but that's still one to make it something. Yeah, man, so make sure you say it.
Make sure you say subscribe to Yardman Ethan on YouTube. I got it right. Yes, so.
And in Instagram.
I have a very extra video coming out very soon. Isn't it? So, you know, they're gonna make some people sick. Woo! Isn't it? So.
Make sure you say go on and support his channel because he have some content coming out, some bangers, and I want to be over there. Where's my check out my social media on @TheDuttyBerryShow on YouTube, Instagram, Snapchat, TikTok, all over, as well as if you want to advertise within the social media countdown and participate in my 10K promotion. That is basically for 10,000 Jamaican dollars, you get a 30-second ad within the social media countdown, like what you're seeing at this one, and you get 2 Instagram story posts as well. Okay, only for the month of November, so run it right now and do not to miss out. Anyway, enjoy the rest of the week and please take care. We're out!
The dirty or the berry, yeah, the juicy or the scoop. All the things are going on and missing on the news. Tell your sister and your auntie said the countdown coming soon. All the drama what you want, you fit tune into the youth.